Welcome to PD Hinduja Hospital Medical and Research Center. This is NABH Champions Training Session. We discuss about human resource, induction human resource. What are 5 guideline principles given by founder of Hinduja Hospital? First is work to give. Always give your 100% to the institution. But how? So we are giving 100% work to give. We giving 30 crore of charity. Live to give hope fund. Word is bond. What is our word? We are providing full-time consultants. We have accredited which NABH, Green OT, ISO, HACCP, Green and Clean Hospital, PDQ, Lean Six Sigma studies and CAP accredited lab. Act local, think global. How we think globally? We have 3D mammo, gamma knife, linear accelerator, MRI, PACS, cath lab, kind of a global technologies in our hospital. Advance fearlessly. How do you advance fearlessly? How do you advance with your services? We have short stay service, care at home, poison center, cochlear implant, gamma knife. 3D mammo, MRI, linear accelerator, PACS, cath lab. Partnership for growth. How do you do your growth? By partnership. We are running College of Nursing, Hinduja College of Nursing. We have PhD programs for our doctors, and we are collaborating with American Hospital to study infectious diseases and some other researches. So, what is our mantra? Mantra stands for MANTRA. What is M? M is maintain service oriented attitude. Yes, I can. मैं कर सकता हूँ. A. Acknowledge the presence of patient. Say good morning, good evening. How may I help you? Always ready to help our patients and their relatives. Nothing is impossible. We'll arrange, we'll manage whatever medicines are available in market. Time is precious. When time is precious, when there is a disaster, any CPR, RRT or stat medicines for patient needs. Time is precious. Dignity and respect to staff at work. R for dignity and respect to staff and patients for your working process. Appearance. How you appear at the time of work. Wear apron, ID cards, shoes. What are employee benefits given by Hinduja Hospital? They are free medical treatment, canteen facilities, accidental insurance, festival advances, library, uniforms, credit society, Hinduja sports activities and annual day. Why Hinduja Hospital every year? Why Hinduja Hospital conducts every year a appraisal program or appraisal systems? It is called as performance appraisal. What it contains? Performance on base of monitoring, evaluation to identify potentials, decide remuneration, open badges like skills and achievements, identify strengths and weaknesses of staff, training and development needs, grades, then respect my authority. How do you respect your authority? Interpersonal skills. What is your dependability? What is your stamina? How do you do patient care? How do you do man management? What is your team spirit? What is your adaptability? What are your skills? How do you do your work by your punctuality and leadership? Grievances, takrar. So, what is a policy of grievance? It is a group grievance and individual grievance. The difference between group grievance and individual grievance is, if you have group grievance, then you will be expecting answers by 5 days, and in an individual grievance you will be expecting answers in 3 working days. So first, if you have a grievance, so give verbally. If you have personal grievance, individual grievance or a group grievance, first you have to give your complaint verbally to immediate supervisor. If it is not settled, then employee supervisor will answer you within 3 days or in group 5 days. If it is not settled, then employee can give his complaint to departmental head with immediate supervisor. If within 3 days it is not settled again, then employee have a right to raise his grievance to director, departmental head, union representative, and with HR manager and your immediate supervisor. They will meet to solve your grievance. If it is not settled, then CEO matter goes to CEO, and his decision is always final decision. So procedure is same, but in group grievances there are 5 days, and in individual grievances answer will be expecting in 3 days. So as far as your grievance is concerned, you have a rights as an Hinduja employee. What are your rights? Right to know your rights. Right to know your hospital policies. What are benefits given by Hinduja hospital? You have right to redressal of any harassment. You can complain against harassment. You have a right to equality and non-discrimination on the basis of socio-economic background, caste, and many other issues. You have a right to know terms and conditions of your job before signing confirmation or appointment letter. After joining institution, you have right to know what are roles and responsibilities to be done by you. You have a right to redressal of grievance. So Hinduja hospital gives you rights as an employee. So like you have a right, Hinduja hospital gives you many kind of rights So as a employee, you have some responsibilities. What are they? Always follow 5 guideline principles we earlier discussed. Support your institution by 24 by 7. If any activity like stock checking, expiry checking, or any monthly receiving, you have to do overtimes or any comp up kind of activities. Support your hospital always 24 by 7. Before going to leaves, sanction by your head of the department. Use emails in ethical and lawful manner. Use your telephones for official use only, not for personal. Maintain proper discipline. Complete integrity to your work. As per Hinduja policy, we don't accept any tips or gift. As a responsible Hinduja employee, kindly keep your departmental or as well as hospital documents very confidential. Don't discuss anywhere. Follow the rules and regulation given by your institution. Follow always safety procedures like fire safety, needle stick injury, hand washes, CPCR kind of safety procedures. Be punctual always while you join your duty every day. Willingness to accept new things. Punctual always on duty. Willingness to accept new things, ideas, duties given by your hospital. You can help patients or their relatives within a framework of hospital rules and regulations. Now, there are our rights and responsibilities. So we need to take care patients' rights. What are patient rights? Patient have a choice to select his or her doctor. Treatment as per medical conditions. He can take second opinion whether oncologist should be Dr. Asha Kapadia or Sachin Almil. The informed consent. Patient education. She or he have a right to educated by hospital. Protect patient information. He or she have a right to protect her or his information about treatment. Accept or refuse treatment given by healthcare provider. Patient have access for medical records in medico legal cases. Right to have emergency medical care. Dignity and respect from hospital employees or staff. Non-discrimination on the basis of HIV. As a reputed hospital in country, we have given our patient rights. So patient needs to understand what patient have responsibilities while taking treatment in Hinduja hospital. Adhere to timelines on time when you have a appointment with doctor. While arriving in Hinduja Hospital. Keep calm and respect staff of the hospital. Accept financial responsibilities for treatment, chemo and surgery. No consultation on mobile or WhatsApp. Please feel to meet your doctor. Take prescription compulsory from doctors. Follow doctor's instruction. Do not discontinue any medication without consulting your doctor. So let's talk about hepatitis B vaccination. Pre-employment health checkup includes the test to detect levels for HBsAg and anti-HBsAg. Those direct patient care staff found to have inadequate antibody levels need to get vaccinated for hepatitis B. Dose intervals are 0 dose, 1 month, 6 months. Staff to pay first dose. Rest will be free by hospital. Staff need to submit dated undertaking to HR after taking each doses. The appointment letter and salary will be released after each undertaking by subsequent doses. So, thank you very much. Quality healthcare for all.